Society, man, they want you to pick a side. It ain't as easy as Carolina versus Duke, dog. I understand that everybody's not going to take the time to invest into understanding.
Right.
We are a society now that are educated by titles of topics, right? We'll see the headline. We can see a headline right now and say, it's Jaylen Hurts season over. And immediately we'll come to the barbershop without reading the entire situation, the entire topic. Oh, yeah, they say he going to be out for the rest of the year.
Right.
Not talking about his pursuit to be, break this record, or we're just automatically going to see the title and we form an opinion right then. And not enough of us dig deeper to understand. Right. And we can come up with this elaborate, very detailed paragraph to email all our customers about a certain topic. But it's going to be those people who only read 2 lines and cut it off and now form an opinion about what we think and what we believe. Think about this, bro. How many times have people been surprised about the pricing of something when they have to go to the website and book it themselves and the pricing is there,
right,
or they select the service knowing that's not what they want, or they, it's just. I'd rather have a conversation like this, explain what I see or what I heard, or my opinion or my perspective, let the other person explain it. And in that manner, I know me and that person trying to get to the understanding of the situation and see each other's perspectives, versus just writing a statement, putting it out there, and trying to be keeping up with society, right? But society, man, they want you to pick a side. It ain't as easy as Carolina versus Duke, dog.
Oh no, the barbershop is still your outlet to come in and express your opinions. We do care, like I said, we may not be fully vocal as far as our opinions, but we do support yours. And
for barbers who are dealing or dealing with people, just know that, man, hair is a great uniter, man. Most of everybody need a haircut. And you're going to have people from different walks in your chair, different energy, different, just everything, spiritual presence or whatever. They're going to be in different places, and you got to be able to have the skill of navigating and conducting yourself in a manner that's going to be appropriate to serve those people.